Hi guys! So it's Saturday again, and here's another video for you that I actually didn't think I'd actually get up today because, well, I was thrown off my schedule. My little sister came to stay with me for a couple of days, and I hadn't really thought it through because I forgot that, well, the days that I usually use to make these videos for you guys is Thursday and Friday, but those were the 2 days where my sister came to stay with me. So the very first bit of video you see here where I'm sketching, and yeah, that happened Wednesday late night when I realized that I wouldn't have Thursday and Friday to well, to record. So yeah, that's why there's artificial lighting and it sucks. Anyway, um, and I actually for once remembered to try to record me sketching, but do you think my camera recorded it? Of course not. I hate my camera. At least you got to see me sketch out the bird. I mean, that's something, right? I mean, technically, I'm still sketching a little here. I'm just normally I sketch with my I have a light graphite pencil. It's an F, I believe, that I use to sketch with. And then when I'm happy with some of the lines, I take my mechanical pencil and I enhance the lines that I want to keep. Makes it a little bit easier for me to, um, figure out. Anyway, so well, the drawing itself, well, the sketching of the drawing itself didn't take that long actually because I don't know, I was just in the mood. I knew exactly what I wanted to draw, and I finally put a front page. Well, rather, I drew a really nice drawing on the front page of my sketchbook, and I'm very happy with it. And that's a girl, and she's kind of surrounded by sunflowers and butterflies, and so I thought I would draw a guy that kind of went with her. So yeah, and I've been in the mood to draw a bird for a really long time now. I don't know why. So what took the longest time for this drawing was actually research because I wanted to find the special kind of bird to draw. So I went to Google, of course. Google is awesome. Google Images, anyway. And I searched for birds of paradise because they're generally pretty awesome looking, and these little flycatchers kind of caught my eye. They're very beautiful, and yes, there are lots of different kinds of flycatchers, and I haven't decided which one I'm going to make this yet. I am thinking maybe a Japanese flycatcher because it is black and blue bird, and I actually think that's colors that will go very well with this piece, but I haven't fully decided yet, so yeah. Um, and of course, well, you haven't seen that yet, but I of course decide to, well, I had a girl with butterflies and sunflowers, so I wanted some sort of flower to go with him too. And yeah, I picked, I believe they're called spider chrysanthemums, and they take forever to draw. Don't ever draw them, ever, ever, ever. It takes too long. But it does look very beautiful, at least I think so. Um, so yeah, and for this video, you're just gonna get to see me sketch it out and line it, well, ink it, line it, I don't know what to call it. Um, and hopefully next week's video will be of me coloring this. I am going to transfer this image onto my awesome watercolor paper and hopefully make a very beautiful painting out of it. I'm really looking forward to that because, well, first of all, I'm really looking forward to working on the paper, and also I really like this drawing. And since I do plan on working with paint and I'm gonna color, I was kind of debating whether or not to put like a design on his kimono when I'm inking, but I decided against it. First of all, I really wanted to get this video up today, and secondly, I am so tired now. My eyes hurt. Um, anyway, so so yeah, you still have second half of this to go. Well, I don't think there's much more to say now, other than, of course, I will put a picture, or rather a scanned-in picture of the finished drawing in the end of this video. Please let me know if the scanned-in images look weird. I think they do a little. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, and if you don't like looking at that, well, if you want to, well, forget my babbling right now because I'm not going to re-record this. I'm too lazy. Anyway, I will leave a link to my DeviantArt gallery down below if you want to check out the line art there, and, the front page of my sketchbook is there too. And, well, other drawings you haven't seen yet. Whoo. Anyway, And I guess that is it for now. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.